Had a damn mat there, that come like kill me twice. Here come.
I'm coming in. We're gonna check out this. So y'all
How's
saved.
the dog good?
Trip and fall.
Hope your eyes good.
I'm working on
She thinks we can see in the dark.
So this.
There you go.
So you saved this bird when it got attacked by the kitty cats. So that right there, but he's kind of like, but he had to kind of be.
Come here,
He
Will.
couldn't make it in the wild, so now
Especially
he's.
Will, he got a phone.
Oh.
He got a phone.
Oh, let me get you a piece of meat.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, look, he's cute. He ain't used to me.
He don't know what you're doing yet.
What's this?
Look, you may make him go to his room.
Let's get a piece of this. Here. Tweet, tweet. Tweet,
Get
tweet.
down there and get that.
Come here. Here it is. Come here. You want your meat or not?
He's probably not going to come over because of me.
He'll settle down a minute. We've been outside. Watch this. Ah,
Come here, Tweet. Here's the bologna. Here's the
Come here.
bologna. Come here.
and here they'll come do it.
Come here.
He don't want to mind. He done that with. Here.
Come here, Tweet.
Leave him alone, and I'll tell you. See? Get your food.
That not spoiled.
Look.
Oh,
I'm holding it for you.
JD's
Where's
birdie.
it? Come here, Parhead. Come here. I got grease on me. Where'd he go? Look at what I got. Look at that. I teed. I teed.
Set it right at the finger.
Want some more? Give me a jug of water. I'll show you how to make you drink water.
Come here.
Here. Just where I can get it.
Come get it.
Here. Sweet.
Get
Not
this
that.
bit full.
I'm gonna get some water. You want some of my water? I gotta have
The
water.
birdie's somewhat camera shy, but he's. Oh, there he goes.
What's the matter? He knows what water is. Come on. Wait a minute, I'll pour it. Get your water.
Oh, look at that right there.
Get some more. Get some more water.
Yeah, so he had a broken leg and all, but to heal him up. And he can't. If you let him go now, he won't make it in the wild. So he's about to kind of be. He's.
Come right back.
Yeah.
I let him out.
Get some more water.
Wanted to go away.
Ask Will if he wants some water.
He wouldn't go.
Get some more. You ain't getting the lid. I give him the lid, I'm gonna never get it back.
He'll drink out the bottle too.
He's a possum.
Oh.
Here. You want it there? Here. Show him he can drink out of the bottle. Show him. No, in the bottle. Show him. See? They don't believe me.
That's pretty good right there.
Want some more? You know the bad thing about it, he was born on my birthday.
That's funny, ain't it?
June 22nd.
You want your meat?
Go get your meat from Mama. Want some more water?
Here's your meat.
Tell us, y'all.
That's crazy, y'all. So I'll put.
Tweet, tweet.
Watch this. You ain't seen nothing. Watch this.
Hey, buddy. So this is. We're inside JD's house with his pet blue jay because he had to rescue it on account that there was a. He got. Like he's gonna be on camera.
And he steals from me and hides it.
Takes all my stuff.
Let me see. He's not so camera shy. What's up, buddy?
He'll tell her at 9 o'clock to take her pills.
Oh, look at him
Come
go.
here.
That's okay. Oh,
Will wants to go home.
oh, look at that right there.
Come here, tweet. Here's the bologna.
Mama wants you. Wants you.
All right, guys, we're going to tune out. Thank you for watching. Look at JD. Oh my goodness, guys.